So to create your website, first you're going to go to Google Sites, then you're going to go to the sign in page right there, hit blank, or you can pick any of these other templates. So we're going to be carried to a page. You have to title it first. So let's say we'll title it my name, Kelsey, hit enter. And then you need to share it with others up here. And so click on that. And then you can type in the email address of your friends that are in this group and us too. So let's just say I'll invite myself. Here's my email. Then you just hit send. And then right here, hit send. And then I don't have a Google account with that, but that's okay. So your friends will, so it'll just go straight to them. So I'll exit out of that. And then you can change your title. So I'll just give it my name again. Then if I want to put a link to anything, I will highlight that and then I'll hit on this, hit insert link. So I'll hit that and then I can copy and paste a link to that and apply. So if I click on this, it'll take me straight to this website here. All right, so now what you can do, oh, also you can change your image on the back, so you can upload an image or select an image, whatever you want to do. And then if you want to create your own a new page, so you've got your home page, which is this page right here, and you can go to this plus sign down here and hit new page. So let's just call this one news article 1. Done. So we got the news article 1, and then we can go click here and go back to home. So news article 1. What we're going to do now is we are going to go to insert, and then we can go to scroll down, hit docs, and this is how you're going to be able to add your articles. So I'm just going to use the article plan that I gave you guys so that you can it'll do your layout for your news articles. So I'll click on that, double click on it, then I'm going to exit out of here so I can see everything. So what you're going to do is click on the image and you're going to click on the bottom one and you're just going to pull down and keep pulling down on it until you can see the entire document. So then we're going to scroll up and just see how that looks. So you get to this page and then you can scroll down and you're going to be able to read your whole news article. And then you can add a new page and whatnot. If you want to do a theme, you can click on that. It'll change the colors. You can change the writing. You can change all of that. And then at the very end, what we're going to do is click on publish. If we want to do publish, so we can do, let's say we'll do Holocaust 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because I'm sure no one probably has that one, and then we'll just hit publish. And then now our website will be online. Okay, so that's about it. That's all you really need to do for that. So thank you.